wa hiyo ona gukiruta biacara kuria mwena wa nenda-ini rikiri na thimu yakwa ni hindi ndirenda kwanjiriria mitaratara ira mukoragwo nayo ri kana biacara ikoragwo na mutaratara uhana ate kana kiyo twita na githuku hihi business model kana strategy mundu ranjirie kuga atiri nini ndoka ni ndagwetha data masi model yanyu ya biacara ikoragwo ihana ate.
Okay, the first thing, modeling network marketing is the most confused model of business.
Ni matithako hau ni andu ni atukanire.
Andu ni atukanire na mati understandaga. Na network it has been there since time of Christ. Christianity twamenyire atia? It is through the disciples of Jesus. Kuhujia. Network by word of mouth. Na any business ona guko murutaga wira na networks. No kaingi andu matimenyaga atiriri when yatuika ati network ni gutuma ugie mbeca ri andu magetigira. Na ni undu kwana korona andu mahenanagia. Okay? No, network is a very, very powerful model of business. Why? Todo itumaga ginya muremi kidogo no wambiririe biacara na ngiri 12 na thutha wa mieri 3 wina milioni 20.
Na riu ni mukoragwo muki break down etiri haya ndaigirira ici 12 tuguthio no na ngucithondeka na njira ihana tondu kaingi tukionaga atiri no kuigirira mbeca na ni muico ri mbeca igaciara.
Yes, ni hakoragwo na mutaratara uria biacara ino ithiaga. The first thing na gwenda gucokeria ngatho kuri andu aingi muno mahurire thimu na already we are in the process andu aingi ni mambiriirie na ni mambiriirie guthukuma. First of all, before tondu ona kwi andu manjiraga atiriri ni ndirenda gutinda ngithoma reke njikie mbeca ngamera aca tondu that hau niho kiambiriria kia kindu gita confusion. Tondu ungeikia mbeca na ndura understand uria wagiriire gweka nigetha wonjorithie mbeca ici ugucoka ugie atiriri ni wahenirio. Koguo the first thing twambaga twekira andu kirathi gitagwo Zoom meeting.
Okay.
Na twikaga 10 am tariu already kuri kiria andu magukorwo magithomithio 10 am 1 pm na 5 pm. Waigira mutandao tugathoma biacara eno etagwo work zone kuma uria yambiriirie ginya haria iri na uria we no ni sisi why tikira kwiunganisha na ithwe what you are supposed to do step by step todo ikorago it is an investment.
Kugo ndina kiuria giakwa ri hau niho ngukorwo ngiuria atiriri haya mwanjiriirie ri kana ni hakina contract ciuria icio ciothe njuragia thini wa iyo training.
Yes, tuthomithagia it is usually about an hour. After guthomithia then tukera andu morie ciuria. Moria ciuria mundu agacokerio ciuria waigwa ne waiganira. It is you to decide to make the decision. Nobody forces you. Waigwa ne waiganira riu ugagituma mbeca na ngikorwo mundu ni oyo uhoro wa mitandao uria registration cithiaga you don't need to send any money. Tuguku guide hari uria gwikatia ku invest tondu investment eno ri ndukaga kuri ithwe ithiaga with this company because this company is the one doing the business. Then igatuhe return on investment daily of 1%. Okay?
Na kaingi hihi ona uria tugikurite tukimenyaga kaingi biacara ri ni office na tahe mundu tari uri utarakimenya horo wa gwika Zoom mundu angenda gugiuka office physically ri no ke hihi akinyitanire na inyuĩ tondu hena mundu ngikenda kuigithia riu na tugetana cucu gicagire ndakire na Zoom angihota tia gukorwo ni aragia na uhoro ucio wa information yo haria office physically ri.
Okay, tondu company no ni njeru in the network marketing part irambiriirie just in June. But already the company is registered in Kenya. We were incorporated in on 7th of July. Riu ni office turetha nigetha twike atia ona tiga ni undu uhoro wa covid ri most offices matirenda most buildings matirenda kundu kuroko ni andu aingi tiga ni already ni tuonete office but riu twetereire nigetha maundu ma covid ma relax nigetha tuhote gukorwo na office but the company is registered in Kenya.
Kugo na hendo tariu ndakiga ni ndaigira ndi non CZ ndi mweru ri kaingi ni tukiendaga no tariu bengi ungigithie ni ukoragwo wina mundu uria muraraniria nake agakorwo niwe contact person waku koguo hihi wina mawoni wina kiuria riu we wanyigiria mase we niwe uria ndiriaranagiria nawe.
Yes. Na ukiingira uguo ri, there is what we call a back office. Actually, online businesses ri, you log into your account in your phone, thimu-inĩ yaku. So kindu kia mbere twakwenda kweheria meciria ni ati office is not very important, the physical. No tondu turi o handu andu aingi ni marenda physical office ri, physical office ni guka. But the real thing, online business should be on your phone. Thimu yaku ni office yaku. Koguo riria wa register ri, there is what we call back office. Ulogaga in, otoria ulogaga into your online account in any bank or Facebook or any account. You log in with your username and password. Riu hau niho urionagira biacara yaku yothe ukahota kuona na ni turi go stepaga. You are not alone. We work as a team. Tugakuonia uri otoi, tugakuonia nigetha, because biacara eno ri yagiire kuhana duplication. Nie ndonio ri ngakuonia nigetha nawe andu aria ukurehe into the business ri ukamonia biacara eno ri rutagwo from the time makwikira mbeca cithie gwi company, then the payment wari ho ciukaga thimu-ini uri oguciruta nigetha ciuke your M-Pesa or your bank account kana kuri okwenda mbeca ciaku ithie. So all that is done clear systematically. Na the beauty of network marketing ya wagiriire kuonia andu mahote kwikira. So the first time we mugeni, then the next time after 2-3 weeks no oronia ri angi. Then it can, let me tell you, network marketing no solve all the problem of unemployment. Todo, you only need a little capital and you can make a lot of money. Yes.
Na tukiajiriria ri maceno kukuruta ciugo kanwa ni ugire ni gukoragwo na kihi kana kwina confusion na mihuhu kana na myths ikoretwo ho, na tugakiona ona andu na wanakiona nawe ona ugithoma andu makoretwo magite mbeca ciao, tukiona kambuni ta crowd one mundu agaikia mbeca igakorwo igigithii uguo. Riria nie data nonsense doka ria mbere ri ngirimiti ni twandikanagira kana hena contract ndiga tondu ngiri 12 mundu agikia kana ona ngiri imwe uthiginire ni mbeca nyingi. Koguo ri ngukona uhakika ati ndaikia mbeca ici ri oingikanenda kuma ri ningeheria kiria gigiakwa kana hena kindu mwandikanagira ta contract kana guthiaga atia nigetha ndina uhakika ndaikia ingikana noga ningacomoka na kiria gigiakwa.
Okay. Riu iria ikoragwo ta contract ri ni ati riria wa ikia mbeca ni ukoragwo na a back office, an account showing that we member, na ni ugutumirwo nginya email ni company ya guku welcome that you have become a member of Workzone. Then tuge ni wekira ta 120, that is $1,000. Na tuge we ona ndukwenda ku market biacara eno ukire uriage only 1% daily. So turihago 1% return on investment. Koguo rihirehagwo $10 every day. Diria igakinya $2,000, that is girimagana meri ma 40, double of the money you have invested, magatiga gukuriha 1% until or renew if you want to continue. Koguo korwo ni waigua ndukwenda biacara eno ri ugeterera ciakinya the 200% ri waruta mbeca ciaku ciothe ri ndugacokie. No agikorwo ni uragithondeka mbeca ri ithe ndukwenda more money and more money, then ucio ni mundu uria utara market this business ni 200%, 200 days, that is 6 months. No modo network atanie ni direra I'm sharing this opportunity hari mbeca iria ngurihwo commission ni undu wa kurehe customers, and onae waigira ni ukurihwo commission. Riu mundu to cio ri mbeca ciake ni cicokaga na ihenya na anidaga ku renew after 350%. Koguo korwo uigireire 120 ciakinya 360 nirio geka atia ukarenew okorwo ni ukwenda ku renew, okorwo ndukwenda ku renew ukaumiria na kare ogethete. Na ino ya networking ri no renew even within a week. It could depend na how fast you're doing your business. No area ya investor ni ukaiga 1.2 million na kauga wenda kwenda gutinda kira mundu about Workzone ego terera mieri 6 ri na to nginya eterere ati nigetha arute every Sunday na Wednesday ni uraruta mbeca cia kwigoka thimu-ini irio rihitwo ciakinya mieri 6 ngararara ciakinya $20,000, $20,000, that is 2.4 million. Riu ugakorwo ni wa double your money. If you don't want to return,
ukehera.
Yes.
Na tukirora horo wa gukorwo githondeka na network marketing ni gukire na ile ciko single tire na two tire dio kana thini wa kambuni ya ni gukoragwo na maundu mau o ri urathi na mbere ugikuraga ri kana hena uri ukioya mbeca ciaku kuringana na icio tires kana guthiaga atia
tires we call them here levels levels generations. That is maugaga atiriri tuge ni ndoka umuthi ni ndaingira biacara ndina uria undehire. In network marketing you must be referred by somebody.
Okay.
You ukaingira na link ya mundu. Then ndaingira ri ngakorwo na link. Immediately dona this is a good company gako invite. Gako invite, come to the Zoom meeting, ugathoma, then where decide you are the one to make the decision.
Ni ndugukoro otire mundu gukwira.
Yes. You come in, if you don't understand kaudo oria ciuria. Waigira nawe ri ukuingira with my link. Then you get a link. Wa get a link re wona nae ni kindu kiega waikaikara ri ukerira another friend. Mundu ucio waigira ni ukurihwo. Na we ukirihwo ri onani ni ngurihwo. That is my first level. Where my direct. Na ke ucio first level ri ni ngurihwo. Nake arehana agaciara second level. Third level up to 10th level. Kogwo this is a business and let me tell you it is not easy money. It is not easy money. Turutaga wira muingi muno.
Na ririo kuga horo wa wira ri ni maundu mariku hi mugikaga
wagwetha andu, you talk to them, you mentor them. Tondu kaingi andu mokaga na mentality ni gutunywo kana ni gute kana ekire agite with this particular company riu agoka another fear. Okay. But there are so many parameters that make a good company and a bad company. Otoria njugaga atiriri ndukona noti ya ngiri igiri fake. Why? Tondu gutire original ya ngiri igiri, fake ikoragwo ya ngiri no nginya ihanane ithie kuhanana. Kogwo even in online businesses there are so many companies that are scams. Okay? And few are original. Na tikuga ati ona nie de biacara ineno dire dagte.
Okay.
I have lost, but I know there is a lot of money in online business if you get the right company. Na modo agethie agikuraga biacara ini ri inene business ona ungiambiria wira wa kwendia migunda ni wambaga ukagongwo. Okay? Ukahota kumenya mugunda mwega na mugunda muru. Then ugithie with many experience of years ni ukuhota gukorwo riu ukarora ukona hau hena nduma na in online business, especially business share return on investment, any company that is paying you beyond 1.5% daily, don't touch.
Okay,
1.5%. More than that, most of the time, they quick at it. It cannot be sustainable. Because the reason is because these companies, the ones that do real trading, there is crypto trading and forex trading. Near the mahote guturiha this 1%. They make between 3 to 10% daily.
Okay.
Kogwo agikoro arariha 4% re nena do millions and millions re, it will not be sustainable because on our ni marenda guthondeka mbeca. They are not here for free. They are for business. So a company that is in trading forex and crypto per day, todo netwekaga even our own personal trading. Okay, but because you are not an expert, sometimes you lose a lot. Okay? But a company like now Waxon has hired the best traders in the world. They trade for us. Then they give us return on investment. So agikoro company every day nirathondeka between 4% to 10%. Neko tuhota kuturiha 1%. Nekoro na sustainability na make their profit and this company will be there for a long time. Then the second very strong point is Waxon is very, very different and unique from all the other online businesses I've done in the 8 years I've been in online business. What is this? Watson has married real estate and crypto and forex trading. Okay? They have apartments in Dubai. Manyoba, already finished. Me, I have seen these houses. I was in Dubai in February. I have seen these apartments. And that time I didn't know about Watson. But when now in June I heard about Watson, and I remembered where I was, I had already declared Gashokadise Bakogura apartment, because those apartments are luxurious. Then Watson has a unique pay plan. Oroka watwika member wa Watson, you create a team, then once you raise 10% deposit on your apartment, you fly yourself to Dubai or sign an agreement, and then you pay only 10%. Kwa apartment you only 30 million, you are needed only 3 million. Wale ha 3 million ukanegera shavi no ni CC. Then ukaheo a pay plan urihage monthly for 10 years. What is it telling you? Egekehiga before 10 years no ko lose. Ithe tio tondu angikonie ndama negera 3 million ri manegera shavire ndenda kuikara kujikare ndenda gukomborithia ngomborithie ri, then the 27 million I pay slowly for 10 years. Magegethie before 10 years ri I have my apartment. There is nothing to lose. So there is no way, because it is not only in Kenya, it is global. Nigerians, 16 of them have already qualified. Na ni manegera to shavishi yao. Pakistan, I don't know how many. So on idwe in Kenya in October neturathi ko launch in Dubai, and we want at least 10 of us to qualify to okena shavi. So now if I get that key, this company must be there for 10 years. That is the biggest surety I am having, and the confidence I have about this company, because gotire hede magerekereria apartments 1,000 2,000 apartments na ni moyo matigokoro kuo those 10 years. Yes.
Ndari wa Kameme TV tukithina na bena kwarania na masi na turakiria cingirire gukiruta wira na thimu yaku kuria mwena wa nenda-ini kana kiru kia gitu online marketing na masi ni gutariithie ni hakoragwo na ihingica nyingi muno kana maundu makoragwo makiriho riria mundu arakenda kuigithia kuria mwena wa online marketing na ndu agitutariria atiri ni wikite uthuthuria ukamba gwakirora kambuni ira urakigithia nayo nigetha ukamenya atiriri wathie ku wakorwo na mucemanio wao wa mbere nigetha ukorwo ugigitariria uria marutaga wira ni ugukorwo ugigitua itua riaku kamenya atiriri aya ari ndi mathuthuritie kana mena wigiriki nigetha ugakorwo tondu twanakigwa andu managithie uguo bia cio igathie koguo ni handu hena kihingica no ungigika uthuthuria uria kwagirire no ugikorwo ukimenya atiriri uraigithia na urakigithia undu muigiririku. Masi tugithie na mbere ri gutire biathara itagaga mateta. Gutire one mwe ona guku tui ona bururi niguo tutetire kundu guothe mundu agikorwo hihi ena gathina tondu ni ukigire hena back office matetari egukorwo tondu ni ugire mundu ni atumirwo email wakianjiriria mundu uri atetaga ku ni ngukuhurira we wanyingiririe kana hena namba kana ni email tondu ona to mateta ona mawoni na mundu ekaga atia.
Yes. Ni mani gutire biacara etagaga mateta kana gathina here and there kana uka deposit wrongly.
Nima.
Yes, always mundu uria wakuingiririe is like your mother in the business or father in the business. Okay. Ucio tumwitaga upline. Wena mateta niwe uthia kuriwe. Then back office ya kuri there is support. Ni ukuthie uhingure back office no thie support na wandike to support. Umere there is this and this and they resolve within 72 hours. Na still if that tondu rimwe ni biacara ni kinenehaga igakorwo mateta ni mambiria kuingiha, then we have the contact like our president. We have ranks, president and vice president. There is a CEO. We have direct contact with them because we are leaders. If the first person, if you can't be able to know even how to type in your back office in the support, the first person wagiaka thina wiraga ni uria wakuingiriria agikorwo cio nake muri the same level tondu no ko mwaingiraniire hamwe uria wi iguru wake. So in this business we nurture our teams, we work as a team, because if you have a healthy team, if you help many people make money, you will also make money. It is not ti uria we uke ati ni ndakuingiria ngathie ngaingiria onge na ndiraamathomithia you no nginya uikarage ukimenya ni ta kana waciara kana no ni sisi ndugatiganagĩria hau for the first 6 months ona ugakikaya uguo ni wi hau ihenya kabiriria kuria irio ri ni ukuhota kumbagara niguo the same way with this business okoro ni ukwenda gukorwo ukigacira na biacara ya network marketing no nginya o support your team ugakoragwo wi ho throughout like now me and my team we are about 10 of us twikaga this business full time gutari wira ungitwikaga tariu ndauma guku ni guthie tuingirite Zoom twaranirie na andu tumathomithie like now muthe tondu tutingikihotire guku tugikorwo guku past 10 am he mundu ngiriu utigirwo nigetha atwarithie the Zoom riu tukoragwo in teamwork na every time there is a problem we try and solve it as quickly as possible.
Tukirikirie tondu mathaa maitu ni matutengeretie muno makiria hena undu wa gutonga na ihenya kana riria ndakiingira kuria kwa network ri mbeca ni gukirogota thi na ugitwirire ni wira muritu tondu ni uguthie ni uguconvince andu amwe magakwira aca agia magakwira aria magakwira eterera ona mundu ni agukwira weterera ona mieri 3 ni mukoragwo tugo noiga mwina mentorship ni gora ona mukinja tariu ni no sisi ngenda kuingira ri ni unjiraga no sisi ndukagia mbeca ruciu ni ukangotha na reality ground nigetha ngaikara ngimenyaga atiriri ni ndaigithia nima no ndaga kuruta wira ri ndikuona kiria gigiakwa tukirikiriria
na hau niho tugaga atiriri nie ona ngihurira unjire ni ukundumira mbeca nguingirie ndietikagira and me that tonie nie and my team we work as a team ni twendaga mundu akaingira githomo agathoma ria mbere ria keri akamenya atiriri haha hathiaga no tondu waingira inwards only no uingire na wage kurehe mundu uririaga only 1% koguo ndukanende more than 1% koguo ukorwo we uigite ngiri igana ria twendire uririaga ngiri o muthenya okorwo ni milioni 1.2 million uririaga ngiri 10 o muthenya no wenda mbeca nyingaingiri share the opportunity then ni uririhagwo kuringana na kiwango giki and as long as and it is instant na ni uraciona it is something transparent no ni uri kuri andu mokaga or in this network marketing ri mundu agakuhe the wrong information ni you see like now we are promoting that no uigire na 12,000 urehe andu atatu na thutha wa mieri 3 ni uguthukorwo uthukumite ngiri milioni 20 iyo no ihanike no ni wira ti andu aingi mahotaga no ndirakwira if you market properly na uhote kuonia atiriri mundu wina ngiri 12 milioni 20 is only 12 weeks away market get crazy about this business nego kuhe mbeca koguo ni twiraga andu no nginya na kwe andu mokaga makaga kuruta wira makiaga kuruta wira ri no 1% gutiri kindu kingi
masi no twende mundu no ethe gugwetha angikuona kuna ihenya tondu matha maitu matengeratie uguo thini wa kamera ya mbere ungitwona kiria hari nie we work as 4 people 4 in a team 4 in a team mari kamera ya mbere
my name is Millionaires Mercy number ni 0722 313299 jokere 0722 313299 then there is Carol Millions is 0722 225628
nabali no
0722 engineer man 0722 225628 then there is engineer Sean 0703 141 797
ya kuriguciana ni kire njiganu magikuurira ri
hari o imwe tu
gukorwo kimahe icio ingi tondu mathaa maitu matutengeretie muno makiria magikunyitana yaku itongorwo kimahe namba cia andu acio ngĩ othe
no ni cihuraga muno kogo ni wega kuheane wengi
mundu andike ndumiriri kana hure
na 07 20 947
marari
9
Muroreri wa Kameme TV ngatho cia mwanya muno makiria ni ngatho ni gwithi na mbere kunyitanira na ithuĩ gai kumenyithia ati tukiuma na masi na uri agikwo gitutariria atiriri wina biathara yaku ugenda gukorwo kiga kuria mwena wa online ni weke uthuthuria nigetha ukorwo na kanya gaku ga gwikorwo ukimenya atiriri ndiraingira thiini wa biacara ino ikiri na wigiririku uria wagiriire ngatho cia mwanya muno ona ngutwandikira ndumiriri ciaku ni githi na mbere kunyitanira na ithuĩ thiini wa Kameme TV